President Aquino has vowed to uphold the rights of indigenous peoples of the country. The president stressed that the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act was passed to protect the rights, culture, and ancestral lands of the indigenous peoples. More from Elena Luna.
President Aquino reiterated the government's commitment to uphold the rights and dignity of indigenous peoples. He gave the assurance in his speech at the 15th year anniversary of the enactment of Republic Act 8371 or the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act.
Layon nitong kilalaning isulong at pangalagaan ang mga karapatan ng ating mga katutubo, ang kanilang kultura at komunidad, gayon din ang kanilang minanang lupain. Ngayong umaga, nagtitipon tayo hindi lang para magbalik tanaw sa mga tagumpay na ibinunga ng RA 8371. Narito tayo upang higit pang paigtingin ang ating dedikasyon at paglinang at pagbibigay lakas sa ating mga katutubo bilang mahalagang bahagi ng ating kultura at lipunan.
The Philippines has more than 14 million Filipinos belonging to indigenous peoples. Before representatives of various tribal groups, the president said the government is working to grant more certificates of ancestral domain and land titles.
20 milyong piso kada taon ang inilaan ng ating administrasyon para sa ancestral domain delineation. At nagbunga naman ito sa pagkakatitulo ng 300,000 hektarya ng lupaing minana. Gayunpaman, 7 titulo pa lamang ang maipapamahagi natin sa ating administrasyon. Aminado po tayong sa unang tingin mabagal ito. Subalit, kailangan natin maging mulat na hindi lang distribusyon ang obligasyon ng pamahalaan. Tungkulin natin linisin ang mga agri, kapalan ang mga butas ng nakagisnang sistema. Bawal po ang pwede na sa tudladaan. Kaya tinitiyak natin ang bawat proseso sa pagpapatitulo ay dumadaan sa tamang mga hakbang. Oras na mapatag na natin ang mga lubak, tiyak na mas mabilis ang proseso at mas matiwasay na makakamit ng ating mga katutubo ang mga lupaing pamana na karapat-dapat nilang pakinabangan.
While in the presence of the President, the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples took the opportunity to personally thank him. Through the President's Executive Order No. 11, the Commission was transferred from the DENR to the Office of the President.
We thank you, Mr. President, for releasing the NCIP from former other departments and putting us under your own office. We thank you for allowing us a chance to look at our legal tangle and put order into our quasi-judicial court. We thank you for the equal opportunity to evaluate and streamline our policies, our ancestral domains, not merely titles, but one for development and protection of our people.
President Aquino also led the awarding ceremonies to individuals and groups whom the President said would serve as examples and inspirations to the Filipino people. The Commission honored the late President Corazon Aquino. It was received by Presidential Sister Viel Aquino D. Also awarded are former legislators whose support led to the realization of the law. The President also distributed certificates of title on ancestral domain and ancestral land. In the same event, 3 students received scholarship certificates from the President. They are part of the 100 scholars from 7 ethnographic regions. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.